Okay, so I am in Google Classroom, and here is where you will come to open up your infographic template. So if you are at table 1, this top one here is the template you will click on. If you are at table 2, yours is this one that's in the row by itself. And table 3, you are the bottom one. So everybody in your group is working on the exact same one. It's just as if we're in a Google Doc. We're all sharing the same document, and that's why this is a group project. So I'm going to show you just another couple things. So you're going to be typing in your facts today. And so you're probably going to want to zoom in because this is probably going to be a little bit hard to see what you are typing. So I'm just going to slide this. And you won't have to go a lot for you to be able to make it more readable. Then you will be typing your fact in here in the text that is smaller. So I am just going to double click on it. So clicking 2 times, which highlights it, and then I can type in my reindeer fact. And then just another couple of reminders from what we talked about last week in regards to changing the colors. Which you will probably get to today. So we need to change the purple, pink, green, yellow colors simply because those aren't really very reindeerish or holiday-ish. So I clicked on my purple color, and you can see it right here. My background color, I'm clicking on that, and then I have the ability to change it to something else. And same thing if you are changing your text color. I highlight it just like if I was in Google. Right here's my text color, same options for changing that color. And you will be making these decisions together as a group for what color you decide on. So that's just a couple more helpful hints for navigating through Canva.